Yo, I've been hitting that indica strain. When it gets in my brain, then it isn't the same. When twisting the flame, grind up the cess is definitely beneficial for the pain. That medical chain, never static, you know photosynthesis getting the blame. Blowing dough legit if you switch up your state. I load a piff and I'm drifting away. When I'm out in the springs, when a mountain's a king, I'm counting the ounces they bring. They offer that kush, they blow in that bush, they bout it, no doubt it's a thing. I'm jacking the scythe, living in Colorado over half of my life. I came from Arvada back in the day, had a habit for packing a sack in a pipe and blowing that in. Duh, duh.
You're not American. That sativa from the dispensary isn't nearly as energizing as it used to be. Here's why. I'm Catherine Goldberg. I run the blog Senior Savvy Cannabis. Thank you for being here. I'm absolutely stunned that we have so many new followers and that my last video made such an impact and struck a chord. Clearly, there are a lot of us legal cannabis consumers that want energizing strains. We go to the dispensary and we go to the sativa section, misleading, we'll break that down, and we expect to get cannabis that, like in the olden days, was energizing and clear-headed and motivating. And although it's labeled sativa and certain terpenes are listed, that's not the effect we're getting. So I asked what was going on, and the response was outrageous. So to everyone who weighed in, on both sides, the people who are also frustrated that we're trying to do this the right way by supporting legal cannabis and we're not getting the medicine we need, and to all the growers who broke down this incredible plant in a way that I could never have imagined, and really explained why we're in this situation and what to do with it. So if you, like me, enjoy energizing cannabis and you are disappointed with what is on the shelves right now in whatever state, this video is for you. So let's break this down first. First of all, the sativa indica dichotomy does not serve us. Originally, when cannabis grew naturally, sativa strains grew in warmer climates like Thailand, South Africa, Mexico, Colombia. And these plants were tall and lanky, unlike the indica strains that grew in colder climates and were fatter and bushier. Okay, so because of these genetic differences, the plant...
You see, she just clearly explained the difference between indica and sativa. It doesn't have anything to do with the effect the plant has on you. It has a identification of the plant structure in itself. See, I like her already. Shouts out to the good information. It's a great video. Let's make sure y'all like and thumbs up them issues as you come in, and especially for the replay gang. Y'all know to leave a comment in the bottom.
Expresses characteristics differently. Besides just height, what a lot of these sativa plants had in common was that the plants would make specific terpenes that would be energizing. The same with indica plants, that those plants would make terpenes that would be more sedating. However, cannabis has been crossbred to death, and it's unrealistic to think that any true sativas really exist anymore. I'm not going to say they do not exist, because there are people who go out and find the seeds and find the clones and find the plants and grow them themselves. But I'm going to say what's on the shelf, take it with a grain of salt. Second part of that is that sativa plants need more time to flower. In an industry that only cares about profit, that is not good, because that means more time and energy. So the big cannabis doesn't want sativas because it's just going to take more time. This plant is so complex, and I don't want to get so into the nitty gritty of the science,